In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Pinterest on your MacBook. Now, before we start, Pinterest may not be available as a normal Mac desktop app like other apps. So the easiest way to use Pinterest like an app on your Mac is to add the Pinterest website to your dock using Safari. First, open Safari on your MacBook. In the search bar at the top, type pinterest.com, then press Enter. Once the Pinterest website opens, sign into your account if you want. Now, go to the top menu bar and click File. From the menu, select Add to Dock. A small window will appear. You can keep the name as Pinterest or rename it if you want. After that, click Add. Pinterest will now be added to your dock as a web app. When you open it, it will launch in its own separate window, almost like a normal Mac app. You can also find it later from your dock or Launchpad. And that's it. This is how you can install Pinterest on your MacBook using Safari. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.